It is finally time to address the elephant in the room. If you don't know, child, I'm gonna tell you. While I put on my makeup and hurry up and get up out this door, I just put on my Danessa Myricks primer. Of course, I'm using my All Over Face PM by M.A.C. Make sure y'all go back and check out my last few videos because I use these same products in those videos. Now, what I am talking about, y'all, is something that I think that can resonate with all of us. A lot of women that have had children, a lot of people who have sedentary jobs, a lot of people who have gotten a little bit older in the last few years. You maybe hit that 40 mark. This has happened to you. It is called gaining weight. I have gained weight. If you have been with me since the start of the YouTube video, then you know in 2020, I was a lot thinner than what I am right now. And you can see it in my face. I can see it in my face. Before this, before YouTube, I was in the military. So, of course, being in the military, you know, you gotta do PT in the morning. And I used to make sure I stay in shape, of course, because it's tied to your money. And when something is tied to money, money motivates you sometimes. And baby, I was definitely not going to lose no coins because I was not keeping myself in shape, which was a part of the contract and requirements when you join the military. Most of us do know that, okay? Fast forward, and now I am no longer in the military, and I started to do YouTube. My very first year out of the military, y'all, I was still on it. I did not care. I was working out consistently. That was 2019, right before COVID. And then once COVID hit, there was nothing else for us to do. So what did we do? We worked out. Everybody went online. A lot of gurus were giving all of their workout classes online for free. I used to follow, what's her name? Lachey. I can't think of her name right now, but I'll pop it up. I followed her. I followed another young girl on Instagram. She held classes. And baby, I'm telling you, I have my gym downstairs in my house because, again, like I said, it was a part of my job for the military to always have somewhere or some things to work out on. But naturally, I would go outside and work out, run, walk, whatever. Run was my thing. Run always kept the weight off. Fast forward 2019, I started getting some real bad pain in my leg, and it went up to like my back, my lower back area. Child, please. Woo. I tried to work through it. But back up. Okay. So for those of you who don't know my story, I had a stroke in 2018, and the stroke led to like a small like gait in my walk. And so there is some slight unevenness in my actual, what they call, that's my gait. It's like some slight unevenness in my hips. Moving back forward here, once the pain started, it happened in my right side. And baby, when I tell you that pain hit and it hurt. Although it hurt, I still tried to work out through it. But if you know pain, working out through pain is not always the best. So I tried to find things to alter my work. I tried to alter my workout in order to find things that I could do to work through the pain, because I could not run anymore like I did before I had my stroke. It was just painful. But it was also a mental thing too, because mentally, that's what I wanted to do, because remember, that's my thing, to keep my weight off, because that's what I had done for years in the military. So I had to first get past that mental block, and then after getting past the mental block, I had to get over the fact that I couldn't do it physically. That is a big overhaul. Okay, so what I did was I used to do little small videos. I tried doing at-home Pilates, and then my cousin introduced me to bike riding, so I jumped onto bike riding. I'm saying all this because these are all things that I tried to do, like a last-ditch effort once that pain hit, in order to maintain some type of workout in my life before what you see now as the sedentary me has happened. I do take injections for the pain to try to help get rid of it so that I can continue to have a normal lifestyle, but it hurts. I ain't gonna lie, it hurts. Needless to say, I have gained the weight. That's the bottom line. I feel like there is come a time now, because last night
I felt my stomach on my leg.
oh my God. And it's not cute. That's not cute. Like, that is not cute. One of my biggest things has always been not to become too sedentary that I am just unhappy with who I am. Because, you know, Gaining weight can affect more than just how you look on the outside. It can affect how you feel on the inside. And all that comes with a sense of not being disciplined. I lost some of my discipline from being in the military, but I also lost that from injury. So while I do understand that sometimes losing your lifestyle can come from many different things, it's also a choice if you're going to choose to have the mental capacity to move beyond whatever the stopping block is. And that's me. That's where I'm at right now. And if y'all are in the same scenario, or like in a scenario that's similar to this, y'all let me know. I don't want to just be talking to myself, but y'all let me know. Y'all let me know how y'all feeling, because I know there's this thing like once you turn 40, the weight just stay on. I am over 40. I don't really do too much, but I also do understand that my pain can also come from the fact that I don't strengthen. I have not strengthened, and I need to strengthen, because I don't strengthen the muscles anymore like I used to, because my pain has gotten worse. It isn't like it was bad. It was bad when I first stopped, but it wasn't as bad as it is right now, to the point of when I stepped out on my foot. It just really hurts. Life is busy. We have to make time for the things that we want. What I'm seeking right now is to tighten up. I don't need to be the weight that I was when I was 17. I do need to be healthy overall. And that's all I want. And in order for me to do that, I have to have some type of consistency. I'm telling you this because I want to start developing my habits for consistency. This is not one of those talks to give you advice on what I've done to be consistent and all this other kind of jizzy jazz, because clearly I have not been consistent, because if I was, I wouldn't be in this situation. Now, do I know what consistency is? Sure I do, because I used to be consistent. It's because of my money depended on it, honey. What I plan on doing is vlogging some of that. Maybe not all, because I do have a lot of content, y'all. A lot of content. And it is one me. And I am trying to get through it all, between editing it, creating it, filming it, putting it out, and just doing all of the things. It's just one me. And I'm trying to do it all. I may do more shorts when it comes to the workout portion of my life, so that you can see my progress and you can hold me accountable. Yeah, I need accountability partners. I want you guys to be my accountability partners. Can y'all help me do that? Help me get on board and lose some of this happy weight. Because yes, I am happy. You know, I'm happy in my life, my marriage, and all the other things. Why not be happy in my weight as well? Because I don't want it to triple down into my lifestyle. And I don't want it to take a toll on my mental either. Not only that, I have a daughter. My daughter is small. She's little, y'all. She hasn't had any children either. I want her to know, or not just her, but in life, I want my children to know that when you put your mind to something, you can do it. Baby, not only that, I got up way early to make sure that I was on time for work today. I will be. I will be. In the name of Jesus, I'm going to be. Consistency and discipline, y'all. That is the name of the game. And one more thing I got to share with y'all. Oh my God, y'all not gonna believe this, but so like 2015, 2016, maybe, I think that's what it was. My husband has always been a coffee drinker. So maybe 2016, 2015, he fixed me some coffee. And baby, since then, I have been hooked on coffee. However, I'm here to tell you that I am trying my best to kick the coffee habit. One, because my teeth are just taking...
Don't look at my teeth. I know you did.
My teeth are taking a toll, and I don't like it. When you don't like something, you change it. And that's what I'm going to do. With that being said, I'm also on a journey to kick coffee.
Y'all help me.
These are just decisions that I feel like I want to make and I need to make for myself, because I look at myself and I see myself, and I'm just trying to create the self that I want to be, and that I just wake up and enjoy being, and be more active and do more things and just live a better life. So I'm gonna get up out of here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little TED talk, and I will see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all be the sparkle in somebody's day. Bye.